Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel for another video. And on today's video I wanted to unbox my PR package from Lancome, and I just wanted to talk to y'all about just like life and motherhood and how I'm adjusting and how I'm not settling for no bull crap. I got a child. Yeah, so let's get into it. Thumbs up this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, let's get into it. So Lancome, I've been on a PR list for like a year now, and they be sending me some good stuff. So let me take a picture of this. Hold on, first let me take a selfie thumbnail. Okay, and then you will do this. Okay. So it's Lancome Mary Phillips. It says, "Hi beauty, I'm excited to share with you my makeup essentials for that clean girl aesthetic. Lancome's 10 Idol Care and Glow Foundation is my go-to for a natural finish and glow. My secret to perfecting your base is advanced Genifique face serum. I use that. It's a hydration hero that also protects skin from those chilly temps. Don't forget UV Expert SPF 50 plus sunscreen is your BFF. XO Mary." I keep recording. I gotta go get my baby. Okay, so y'all, this is what they said. This is the package. How cute. I love this. Now, this here, the Youth Activating Serum, I actually have some of this already. They sent me this last year, and I've been using it, so this is actually good. I'll probably put this in a box for my clients so that they could. I would like to put it under my eyes before I do my makeup, and that's what keeps my under eye from creasing. So, just a FYI, if you're having an issue with your makeup creasing up under the eyes, hydrate your under eyes. Like even when you just moisturize your face, try to go up under your eyes with either extra moisturizer, something like this, like a hydrating serum, even Vaseline. If you put it under there, it won't crease. Let it sit for a minute and then press it in. So just FYI, I told y'all that. Now, speaking of under eye creasing, we got some concealer right here, and this is their Tint Idol Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. It's supposed to last for 24 hours, and this is in the color 420. This is cute. Let me see. Let me see if this is my color. Oh, it's my color. It's a little bit bright, a little bit brighter, but I think I could work with it. It's in the color 420, and we're gonna do a full tutorial using all of these items, so y'all stay tuned. That's gonna be the next video. And we do a full face, full glam, and then we probably have some juicy girl talk. That's gonna be nice. So we do that. Then we got foundation, which is always good. I'm in the shade 405. This is Lancome's foundation. This is like $200 worth of product, y'all. And this is the foundation. See. Okay, pump bottle. Okay, good. I think this is me. I may have to mix it, but it looks like it could possibly be my foundation. A bit bright, but I can make it work. The next item that I got is this Ultra Precise Water Liner. It's a liquid liner. This is how it looks, and I'm assuming it's supposed to be like for the eye. Let me see. I don't really do liner like that no more these days, but let's see. Let me see. Oh, it's like a brown liner. Okay. I see. Okay, gives the girl like a little poppy pop. Let me go over here and do it too. Okay, and it's definitely liquidy. I want to do it come in black. But what I like about it, oh yeah, this is it. Okay. So we got that one. Is this a twist on? Okay, so that's that. I gotta go get my baby. Okay, so then what else we got? Oh, we got some Juicy Lips. The lip gloss is called Spring Fling. Who don't love lip gloss? It's Spring Fling 2. Some Juicy lip gloss. Let me smell it. I gotta smell my lip gloss first. I'm sure ain't nobody used this but me. Okay, let's see. Is it really juicy? Okay, it's thick. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this in here. I hope I remember. I'm gonna just leave it on box. Okay, and then oh, we got some mascara. Oh, I needed some mascara. Okay, let's get a mascara. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty. Let me see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't want to do too much, but yeah, this is it. And then what else we got? And then we just got a few little like goodies, which are, oh, this is primer. So we got primer, we got sunscreen, and then we also got more sunscreen. So yeah. So yeah, these are my goodies from Lancome. And yeah, I didn't really get to talk to you guys about motherhood or whatever because I gotta get my baby off. Him is like being fussy as late. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm excited to be back on YouTube now that my baby, I'm getting in the swing of things with motherhood and everything. Yeah, I'm excited. I am going to do my best to start back vlogging as much more and also just doing sit down videos if I, and I'm in a point in my life right now where it's like whatever I can upload, I can upload. So if I can do uploads with you guys, then I'll do that. If I can only do if I can do vlogs, I can do vlogs. If I can do fashion, I can do fashion. I really want to get into my fashion content. I'm just trying to find the space and stuff. I'm still doing a lot of cleaning up and everything, so I'm just trying to get more space. But yeah, so that's what's going on with me. The next few videos that you guys are gonna see, we're gonna do a full makeup haul. We're going to do my labor and delivery vlog, story time, and then I want to get back into fashion content. So let's see how that goes. But I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. And yeah, be sure to thumbs up this video, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Within the next few months I need to hit 20K, but I need to be more consistent, so I understand that as well. But yeah, thumbs up this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.